Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to pursue a Nursing Ausbildung in Germany. Nursing is a rewarding profession that offers a range of career opportunities, and Germany is known for its excellent healthcare system. So, if you're interested in becoming a nurse in Germany, stick around as we guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and understand the requirements. The first step towards pursuing a Nursing Ausbildung in Germany is to research and understand the requirements thoroughly. The most crucial requirement is a good command of the German language, as the entire program is conducted in German. Additionally, you will need a recognized school leaving certificate, typically equivalent to the German secondary school certificate. It's essential to research the specific requirements of the state or institution where you plan to pursue your Ausbildung, as they might have additional criteria or prerequisites. Step 2. Find a suitable nursing school. Once you meet the requirements, the next step is to find a suitable nursing school. In Germany, nursing education is primarily provided by vocational schools. These schools collaborate with hospitals and other healthcare facilities to offer practical training alongside theoretical education. When choosing a nursing school, consider factors such as location, reputation, curriculum, and the availability of clinical training opportunities. Make sure the school you choose is recognized and accredited by the appropriate authorities. Step 3. Submit your application. After identifying the nursing school that suits your needs, it's time to submit your application. The application process may vary depending on the institution, so carefully follow their guidelines and submit all required documents on time. These documents may include your school leaving certificate, a CV, a motivation letter, and proof of language proficiency. It's crucial to submit a well-prepared and convincing application to increase your chances of acceptance. Step 4. Attend an interview and selection process. Once your application is reviewed and shortlisted, you may be invited for an interview and selection process. This is an opportunity for the nursing school to assess your suitability for the program. Be prepared to discuss your motivation, experiences, and personal qualities that make you a good fit for the nursing profession. During this process, it's essential to showcase your communication skills, empathy, and a genuine passion for nursing. Be confident, dress appropriately, and do thorough research about the school and its nursing program. Step 5. Start your Nursing Ausbildung. Congratulations! If you successfully pass the interview and selection process, you'll be admitted to the Nursing Ausbildung program. This program typically lasts 3 years and combines theoretical instruction with practical training in healthcare settings. Throughout your Ausbildung, you'll gain essential knowledge and skills in nursing, including anatomy, physiology, medication administration, patient care, and clinical practice. Remember to stay dedicated, be proactive in your learning, and take advantage of the valuable hands-on experience. Step 6. Obtain licensure and further opportunities. Upon completing your Nursing Ausbildung, you'll need to obtain your professional license to work as a nurse in Germany. This involves passing the state examination for nursing. The examination tests both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Once you've obtained your license, you can explore various career paths within nursing, such as specialized areas like pediatric. If you still have any doubts or questions regarding the process of pursuing a Nursing Ausbildung in Germany, we're here to help. You can visit our official website, howtoabroad.com, where we provide detailed information and resources on various topics related to studying abroad. Additionally, you can contact us through our official WhatsApp business number, which you can find in the video description below. We're more than happy to personally assist you with any inquiries you may have or provide further guidance throughout your journey. Remember, pursuing a Nursing Ausbildung in Germany can be a life-changing experience, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Good luck on your journey to becoming a nurse in Germany. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing another exciting topic. Take care, and see you soon.